Most people walk into a room and vanish. Their presence is weak. Their words hold no weight. They exist, but they don't command. But then there are the few, the ones who walk in, and the whole room shifts. Eyes lock, conversations pause. Even people who've never met them can feel them. That's not arrogance, it's control. And there's one simple move that creates it: the power of the pause. Society doesn't respect noise. It respects strength, presence, control. Every interaction, from business to dating, is a silent hierarchy, dominance or submission. And whether you realize it or not, people are constantly sizing you up in seconds. The weak rush to fill silence. They talk too fast, trying to impress, trying to be heard, not realizing they've already lost respect. But men of power? They pause. They let silence work for them. They make people wait, anticipate, respect. That pause is more than silence. It's control of time. It's the moment you stop chasing validation and start commanding attention. When someone asks you a question, don't rush. Hold their gaze. Let the silence stretch. Then speak slowly, deliberately. Watch how they lean in. Watch how the energy shifts, how suddenly you set the tempo. In nature, the most dominant creature isn't the loudest. The lion doesn't roar before the hunt. It moves in silence. Power moves slow. When you pause, you tell the world, I am not desperate for your attention. I control the pace. And people instinctively follow that energy. In your next conversation, pause before you speak. Feel the tension. Own it. And watch how people start treating you differently. Most men will ignore this. They'll keep talking, chasing, performing, and stay invisible. But the few who master the pause, they don't chase power. They become it. Watch my recent video. If you're only dating one girl, you're already losing.